Hello everyone, this is Opu from OpuArt. So I am welcoming you all in my new project, in OpuArt's new project actually. So here you can see I just come up with some sci-fi modular antenna pack, as you can see here. So this is like a mega set. This is like a mega collection of the asset. You see there are total 50 assets, okay, from 1 to 50 assets, and you can see on the right hand side these are the modular parts. So every part is containing one material. So as you can, if you are not happy with this 50 assets, you can assemble your own antenna or your own machine kind of things by yourself, by organizing the parts, no problem. Okay, so as you can see, they are kind of like a old rusty metal, and these type of things obviously fit in the kind of like rooftop of a building, sci-fi setup or something. So it's like mostly in the rooftop side. So I just that's why I just prepared this kind of the rusty type of material and all that. So it's like not clean actually. It's kind of like some sort of dirt and some sort of roughness, as you can see by close up this one. You can see the how it's coming up. Okay. And some of the parts are like it's a combination of plastic and metal. So as you can see, this section and the other this section, they are kind of like plastic, but obviously the roughness and the kind of like dirt is on every machine, is on every machine actually. So it's like the important part of these things is like you can arrange. If you are not happy with this with these 50 samples of mine, you can organize your asset by your own. Okay, you can take a piece and you can construct kind of like a mega machine. Who knows? So it's like that. Okay. So yeah, this is you are seeing it from the substance actually. So I think you get the idea, and this is the part one, and I will show you in the second part, which is from the Unity. So thank you guys. I think you enjoying, and keep watching till the end. Thank you very much. So hi guys, this is the second part of the mega antenna tutorial, sci-fi antenna tutorial. So as you can see here, as always, this pack is coming with the Unity HDRP high definition render pipeline. So this is actually the version is from 2020, Unity 2020. So as you can see here, this is HDRP template. So this is the FPX, and as always the textures are all 4K. Textures are all 4K, and as you can see here, also the materials, they are the materials, the correspondent materials there. Okay. And then you have the prefabs. Obviously the prefabs are there, all 50 prefabs are there. So as you can see here, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, so like if you are going to use it in your level design, so you just going to just drag and drop every piece of that, and they are all is coming with with the prefab, I mean the collision also there. So if I open the prefab, as you can see here is the okay, let's say this one. Yeah, you can see the components, you can see the prefab components is there. So they are actually the modular parts. Okay, so as you can see, you can you can use them and make them a separate thing. So as you can see, they are all grouped. The antenna 5, like an example, this is an antenna 5. So antenna 5 is coming with several components, and in the components they are mesh collider attached. So you don't need to worry about the colliding things and all that. Everything is on the go. Okay, so you just need to drag it in your project and all that. Yeah, back to the scene. If I go back to the scene, and every every asset is something like that. So if I go there, if I go if I break, I mean open prefab, you see the components of this antenna making. This is antenna 14. So as you can see, all the elements are mesh collider attached. So the already the boring part is already done. So you just need to just drag and drop in your project. That's it. So it's like totally ready for importing in your project. So yeah, if I gonna maximize the view, so you can have I just use some sort of post-processing, a little bit of post-processing for the scene. So it's like a simple plane, and the demonstration of the antennas, as you can see here. So like I said before that I used some sort of plastic and the metal material to it, you got a combination of the metal and also the some sort of plastic things. As you can see here, this part quite a bit of I used quite a bit of color in it, but yeah, it's like in your project, it's like if you set it in a rooftop of a building, kind of like a sci-fi environment or all that, it should come up with a good quality. And also, as you can see here, all the textures are, by the way, all the textures are like these are the materials. Okay, these are the materials, and here is all the textures. Where is the textures? Yeah, the textures are all 4K, by the way. As you can see, the maximum size is 4096, and they are currently in an uncompressed situation. So like totally, kind of like totally full raise actually. So yeah, and I just use some sort of these kind of post-processing there. So yeah, I think this asset is will gonna be a very good addition in your level design. So please feel free to go to OpuArt asset store, or you can DM me for this one. It's a mega pack. I mean, 50 assets is there. You can either, you are not happy with the 50 assets, you can come up with your own version. Always, as I said, every components are separatable. Like this one, you can go there and you can separate that. Like this one, you can go there, you can, yes, obviously separate that. Like this one, you can separate. So every part is separatable. It's like it's like total modular pack. It's like separate and all that things. So yeah, you can come up with your own version that has a very good flexibility in your flexibility to you. So as you can see, this is a separate part. So yeah, 4K is the resolution. It's a quite heavy, kind of like a bit heavy project, but you can always crank up the the highest quality, and also you can come up with the lowest quality. You can anytime you can just resolution down the the textures and compress the texture according to your needs to lighter the project version. But I think it's looking quite okay and a bit rusty. I did it like on a purpose because of this will be stationed in an open space or kind of like a rooftop. These items are not indoor items, so it's like obviously it's like a AC unit. You have to always these kind of things will be in exterior part, so it's kind of rust and dust is the quite matchy parts for this one. So it's like for the metal and for the plastic part. Yeah. So guys, with this one, I just come up with the conclusion of the part 2 actually. So as you can see here, so I will continue with the Unreal, the final part, which is the part 3. So this is totally game ready, part 2. If you need this one, don't hesitate to contact with Upward. You can DM me, or you can direct go to keep an eye in the Upward store to purchase this one, to have this in your collection. So thank you very much. Hi guys, this is the part 3 of the Sci-Fi Antina Modular Pack. So as you can see, this one is from the Unreal 5.3, totally ready asset. So this is like the Unity, this is coming with the the textures. As you can see, all the textures are 4K, by the way. The same settings I tried to keep, and then the materials are there, all the materials are there, and you have the the prefabs. Okay, most important thing is the prefab. So you have the prefab ready. So it's like you can immediately get into action to to come up with kind of like incorporate this one, or use this one into your project. Like any of these is prefab ready. So it's like you can drag this one. Okay, you can drag this one, and they are pivot ready also. You don't have to just you drag and drop. Okay, you can come up with the settings of that. Okay, and they are, you see, they are in the center, so pivot centered and all that thing. So you just come up with this one, and you need to rotate this one, so no problem. Okay, so what you can do is like it's a modular pack. So what you can do, you can come up with your mega version like this one. Okay, and then you drag your the separate pieces is there and there. Okay, and also let's say another section is like this one. Okay, and this one. Okay, you see, and let's say on the upper part it should be like this one, and yeah, and it should be like whatever part is comfortable with. So yeah, like in an instance, you can come up with some sort of machine output like this one. So if I gonna maximize the view, you can see what I just made. Okay, it's nothing, it's just like kind of like a modular asset arrangement, and you just come up with your new version. It's like from the distance it looks like kind of like a kind of like a alien communication device or something. So you can, so you have you can scale it up, you scale it down. So I just use the the default setting and all that and come up with this one. So right now the asset is on a full version, full texture resolution. So yeah, this is like you can do with this pack. So I think you enjoyed this one, and I think you are ready to have this one. So please feel free to if you need this one, feel free to come up with the Opward asset store. And and you can, if you want the DM me, you can do that. You can communicate with Opward, no problem, and keep an eye with the Opward, so no problem. Thank you very much. I think I come up with the end of this video, and I will come again with the most another most exciting video in a short time in future, no problem. Thank you very much. Till then, please like and share my content, and please follow my Facebook and YouTube channel. Thank you very much.